How to send SMS text messages on an LG phone. SMS, or short message service text messages of 160 characters or less including spaces, are quick and easy to send or reply to from your LG phone. We'll show you how. Tap on Messages. Then tap on the Start Chat button on the bottom right. In the To field at the top, type a contact name or phone number if the contact and number are saved in the phone. Then tap on the contact name and number when it pops up below the search bar. If you're sending to a person that is not a saved contact, type in the phone number. Then tap the person icon below it on the left. Now tap on the Enter Message bar above the keyboard. Enter the message you wish to send. Then hit the Send icon in the message bar to send it. Replying to a message is also easy. To reply to a message, tap on Messages. Then tap on the thread you wish to respond to. It will show the contact name or phone number. Now tap on the Enter Message bar above the keyboard. Enter the message you wish to send. Then hit the Send icon in the message bar to send it. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.